So today we're going to treat Ilan with PRP for hair restoration. He has a family history of hair loss and he really wants to keep all of his hair. So we're going to try to stimulate some hair growth along the hairline in the front so his hairline doesn't keep receding as he matures, and also fill in kind of back here in the crown where male pattern hair loss occurs frequently. So PRP stands for Platelet Rich Plasma. What we do is draw the whole blood, extract it, spin it down in the centrifuge, and that separates out the red blood cells from the plasma, which is full of growth factors, proteins, and all kinds of nice nutrients that we can use for all kinds of restorative efforts. So when we inject it around the hair follicles, it stimulates hair growth. And then also, we also use it for anti-aging and other restorative benefits. So I'm just going to wipe you off with some alcohol. It's interesting because, sometimes people think that they have to have the actual hair loss before they start any kind of rejuvenation process. But the truth is, the earlier you start, if you have the foresight to kind of know what you want to achieve with the rejuvenation, it's much easier to actually achieve it. So by the time your scalp is shiny like a bowling ball, it's really kind of going to take a Herculean effort to get any of those hair follicles to be active again. So I like to inject it right into the follicular level here. An optimal timeline we recommend is treating every 4 weeks, usually for 4 months if you're new to PRP, and then every 4 to 6 months, maybe up to a year for a booster. It's different for everybody, depending on their starting point and their end goal. So the results are very natural because what we're doing here is stimulating your own hair follicles that are kind of getting petered out and want to keep miniaturizing until they don't grow any more hairs. So what we're doing is trying to just keep those hair follicles robust and continue to produce hair, and it's your natural hair. So the results are your natural hair over time. So I think of it like if you start at the right time, and Ilan's starting, this is really the perfect time because he has a lot of hair, it's robust, you can see all the hair follicles here, the scalp isn't inflamed or damaged any other way. So what I would anticipate is that over the course of the next several months, he's going to start feeling like he has hair that he had maybe 5 years ago. Another great thing about PRP injections is that because you're injecting it right where you want it to work, you're not going to have any kind of unwanted hair growth in any other parts of the body or other unwanted results, as you might with systemic treatments. So we're all done.